Down trees to lightning strikes and flooded roads. People all over the state are cleaning up now from these nasty storms, and Ken MacLeod shows us some of the damage.
The remnants of Barry that rolled through here are nothing like the storm that walloped the Gulf Coast, but wind, lightning, and rain have caused trouble.
I'm pretty sure we just got hit with a tornado.
It was not a tornado, but blasted through Holliston with a lot of muscle, snapping and uprooting trees, which luckily struck only a glancing blow to this house on Ashland Street.
All of a sudden, the wind came up really hard, really bad. Couldn't see nothing.
Not far away on Cedar Street, neighbors say a lightning bolt did the dirty work, dumping this tree on some power lines.
It hit this one first, and then chopped the top of that off, and then hit that one.
The rains that came along with it were torrential in spots. Check out Quincy Shore Drive, where flooding made some drivers feel like the evening commute was a boat ride. The HOV lane is often faster on the Southeast Expressway, but not this evening.
You keep hoping it's not smoke, but it's smoke.
In Waltham, firefighters were summoned to an attic fire when lightning ripped into the roof of an apartment building.
I love lightning storms, but this was really a bad one. I mean, you could really tell that you should just hunker down, turn everything off, and wait for it to pass.
It did pass, eventually, leaving behind scattered power outages and one scary memory.
Oh, my God.
I'm 64 years old, and I've never seen anything like that.
The National Weather Service tells me tonight this was done by straight-line winds. Our next weather hurdle is a 100-degree weekend. In Holliston tonight, Ken MacLeod, WBZ News.
And we are following